go. Stop there. You can let me go. Stop. You hurting my hand. I don't give a about none of this. I didn't do shit.
Okay.
You didn't cuss my home.
Stop him.
I didn't do shit.
Get the leg on.
Let me go. I don't give a about this. Y'all done cuss my whole trip. And y'all gonna refund me for this shit.
On April 18th, 2024, Milwaukee County Sheriff's deputies responded to a disruptive passenger at Milwaukee Mitchell International Airport.
What's going on, ma'am? Ma'am. Sheriff's office, what's going on?
Okay, what's going on is that he just took me from my plane, and I could have stayed on my plane.
You got removed from the plane?
Yes, I did.
Why?
Don't know why.
Somebody wants to get a statement from them?
She was the last one pretty much to get on the plane. She was at the car. We asked her, did she have a picture on her coat? She said it was not.
Okay, we don't need the sheriff. I'm gonna go.
No. Ma'am.
I ain't about to go. Yes, I am. You don't need my ID.
I didn't hear the last part. I heard.
I'm not going downstairs.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you my ID. I'm about to give you my ID.
Make up your mind.
Can you stop?
Hey.
Because he just harassed me. I'm gonna give you my ID.
Wind it back.
I'm about to give you my ID.
Too late.
I'm about to give you my ID. I'm about to give you my ID.
We'll get it.
They arrested me. They couldn't take me to jail.
Go with the flow.
I just said I'm gonna give you my ID.
Let's go. We need to get.
I just said I'm gonna give you my ID.
Okay, let's go with the program here.
Hey Siri.
Let's go.
Hey Siri. Call my husband.
Let's go downstairs.
Hey Siri. Can I get my food and stuff? Can I get my food and stuff?
Everything's coming down.
Hey Siri. Call my husband. Can I get my food and stuff?
Everything's coming down.
Okay, you don't got to grab me like this like I'm a criminal or something. Okay, let me go. This comes to hurt my head. I am going to cooperate.
That's not cooperating.
Hey Siri, call my husband. Can I pull my shirt down? This is embarrassing. Like, what the f*** got all my shit out? With your rude white ass. Can you pull my shit down? It's not up, it's down. Like you have stolen all my stuff. Don't go in the gate. Can you pull my pants up? Like I'm gonna file a lawsuit on your mother. This shit is hurting my head. It's hurting my head.
Let's go.
It's hurting my head.
Look.
It's hurting my head.
You tried walking me forward. Go.
You hurting me.
You're not hurting.
You hurting me. Turn it around. It's hurting my head. You ain't gonna press on me like that. You rude ass, fat ass. Hey Siri, call my husband. Put your feet on that. Kick me. You kicking me. Don't kick me. You heard me. Get off me. Perfect foot. Hey Siri, call my husband. God damn it. Hey Siri, call my husband.
Come on.
Hey Siri.
Go my way. Let me go ahead and get the door to you.
Hey Siri.
Coming through.
Yeah, coming through. Let me go. Stop there. You can let me go. Stop. You hurting my hand. I don't give a about none of this. I didn't do shit.
Okay.
You didn't cuss my home.
Stop him.
I didn't do shit.
Get the leg on.
Let me go. I don't give a about this. Y'all done cuss my whole trip. And y'all gonna refund me for this shit.
Kick me. She's up on my foot.
No, and I need to piss. Can I take a piss? Or I'm gonna piss on this floor. I need to use the restroom. need to use the restroom. I need to use the restroom. I need to use the restroom. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
I need to use the restroom.
Hold her leg.
I need to use the restroom. Because I want to get some. I need to use the restroom. I need to use the restroom. Okay?
I'm good. She got me away.
Should have got here. I need to use the restroom. Or this y'all done made me miss a mother flight for what?
We were trying to get the story up there, okay?
Yeah, and you was assuming.
Everything went to hell.
And you was assuming.
I didn't have a chance to
Because
do
that already
anything.
pissed me off.
I never
Put me
did
off
this.
of my flight. With your racist ass. With his gay ass. But I guess because he part of LGQPT, it's all right. No, don't. Do it look like
I'm gonna take these
no, you not. Give me my glasses.
Okay.
Okay, get her in the cell. Get her in the cell.
Stupid ass. I gotta use the
You're
bathroom.
gonna have the opportunity now while we do your felony paperwork.
Take these cuffs off. Take the cuffs off. I gotta pee. The fact I'm supposed to pee in my motherfucking pants.
Sit down on the bench.
Can you take the cuffs off?
Take this stuff off. Sit down
Okay,
on the
you
bench.
can take it off.
No, I can't.
Can we?
Sit down on the
No,
bench.
I'm not. I'm
I
not
will
gonna pee.
take the leg
I
out.
want to pee. You want me to pee on myself? No, I'm not. If I can pee on myself.
Come here. I'll take the cuffs off.
I just asked you to take them off. I just have to pee. What's your racist ass?
Can we get up?
Can you take these off so I can pee?
Yeah,
Because unfortunately I can't pee like this.
okay. So, in order for us to take them off, you gotta go towards that bench.
Like with your racist ass. You ain't gonna put that on me. I don't give a I'm already going to jail for Germantown. You're not putting that on me.
You listening to him?
I'm not. Listen to nobody about it. You are. No! Move! I don't like females. Get away from me. I don't want no females in here. I don't want no females in here. Move! I don't want no females in here.
Don't we put this belt on you?
So you can go ahead and use the bathroom.
I'm not putting shit on. Get the away from me. I'm not putting shit on.
Why?
Not putting shit on.
Why?
Because I'm not. Why the y'all take me off my plane?
I never took you
Is y'all finna refund me? Y'all not.
Take it off and let her in there and
They lost $3,000.
Put a rip belt on her and search the
I don't give a y'all can stand right here all motherfucking day. I already missed my flight. I ain't got shit to lose.
Okay. We
Don't
need
give
to
a
put
about
this on
shit.
you.
I'm not standing up for shit. I'm standing right here. You can bail me out and I can pay myself to get out. So give me my ticket and you can keep me like I am.
It's past the
You want
ticket.
to use the restroom?
You can keep me out I am. I'm gonna piss like this. Write me up whatever I need to do to get me the out of here. So I can call me a ride. Get me out of here.
You're not going to go get a ride. You're going to jail.
I'm not going to jail.
Yes, you are. There's
For what?
For battery to a police officer.
I didn't battle no police
You
officer.
did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You did.
I didn't.
Okay, let's get her in the squad. Let's have them search her. We'll get her
I
in
don't
the
give
squad.
a fuck them searching.
And then she can go right to jail.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't do shit.
You're going to jail.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't do shit.
I'm not going to argue with
I'm not. Because I didn't do shit.
Just have to go right to the spot.
you. No, we got to search her.
You ain't searching nothing. Because I didn't do shit.
Right here?
Yep.
You can get the out of my pocket. Because I don't got shit.
Stabilize her against the wall.
No, I don't care. About none of that. Yeah, so when y'all start searching, I'm gonna piss. Nah, that's gonna be a reason. Yeah.
You got it from here.
Don't just grab my hair like that, weak ass.
Did you have your
Who would bring something with them going out of town with y'all dumb ass?
Miss, we still have to search you.
Okay, don't search me.
Well, we
Like
have
I'm not that dumb or slow.
I'm calling across your front.
I didn't say
You can get away from me.
I'm calling across your front.
Okay. I heard you the first time. Get off of me.
Secure her head. Someone let Jeff in here and secure her head.
He's good.
All right, let's just put her in a squad car.
Okay. What squad are we taking?
Tahoe.
And I need to make a phone call.
What car are we?
And I need all my shit. Can I get my shit? These prescription glasses. I need my glasses. I can't see. I need my glasses.
505, you got your keys?
I can't see. I need my glasses. Can I get my glasses? I can't see. I can't see. Those are prescription glasses. I'm not moving so I can see.
Some more jewelry just came out right there.
Can I get my glasses? I need my glasses. I can't see.
Let's go.
I can't see.
Hold on.
I need my glasses. Let go of my hands like that. You're not gonna be walk like that with your racist white ass. Racist white. Can you let go of my hand? Can I get relaxed first? With your white ass.
Get her in the car.
No, I'm not.
Jeff, hold on until Alex gets over there.
Break your glass. Like you, I can't see. You won't see.
You gotta put your seatbelt on. Watch your foot.
Yeah, watch my foot. It looks crazy. You black want to blend in right with their ass.
My camera.
You want to blend in right with their ass. No, I'm not.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
Go get it, go get it. Get, oh, wait, she's sticking her foot.
Stop grabbing me like
Don't.
that. You gonna arrest me?
No,
I will spit on you. I will spit on you. Don't grab my lip like that. You gonna arrest me? You gonna...
What began as a documentation dispute escalated into felony charges. This analysis examines the constitutional framework governing each decision. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, law enforcement has authority to conduct investigative detentions based on reasonable suspicion. The airline security report alone established reasonable suspicion sufficient for a lawful Terry stop. When the subject stated, "I'm just going to go," she attempted to terminate the encounter. This is legally impermissible. A Terry detainee has no right to leave until the investigative purpose concludes. The deputy's response was constitutionally required. Physical contact to prevent departure triggers Graham versus Connor analysis. The 1989 Supreme Court case established objective reasonableness. Force is evaluated against three factors: crime severity, immediate threat, and active resistance. Graham requires proportionality at each discrete moment, not blanket authorization for the entire encounter. The subject's physical resistance provided legal justification for empty hand control techniques without strikes or intermediate weapons. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977, officers may control the movement of detained persons for officer safety. The racial insults and profanity are constitutionally protected speech under City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. Verbal challenges to police authority, including offensive language, cannot serve as independent grounds for charges. Force applied solely in response to speech constitutes a constitutional violation. The deputies showed appropriate restraint. The alleged kicking falls under Wisconsin Statute, Section 940.20, subsection 2. Battery on law enforcement officer. This is a Class H felony. Any intentional act causing bodily harm to an officer qualifies. Physical pain constitutes bodily harm. Intentional contact with a deputy through kicking meets all statutory elements. Under United States v. Robinson, 1973, officers may conduct full search incident to arrest without additional probable cause. The subject's refusal to be searched has no legal effect. Search incident to arrest is automatic upon lawful custody. Once in custody, officers assume duty of care. This includes medical equipment, restroom access, and basic human dignity. The subject made 8 documented requests for prescription glasses over 10 minutes. This constitutes medical equipment necessary for daily function. Delayed response to medical needs can establish deliberate indifference under 8th and 14th Amendment analysis. 10 restroom requests without visible accommodation creates additional civil liability exposure under custodial care doctrine. No Miranda advisement was documented on camera. Best practice requires on-camera warnings to preserve admissibility. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, mandates specific warnings before custodial interrogation. Undocumented advisement is evidentiary dead weight. The threat, "I will spit on you," constitutes assault. Spitting on an officer is battery, justifying spit hood deployment. The subject was charged with 2 counts of battery on law enforcement officer, disorderly conduct, and obstructing an officer. Deputies received grade C+. Detention and arrest were legally grounded under Terry and probable cause standards. Force during active resistance was proportional under Graham. Multiple officers reduced individual force requirements. Deductions: no on-camera Miranda, delayed medical equipment accommodation, and failure to promptly address restroom requests. These custodial care failures create civil liability despite otherwise constitutional law enforcement. The subject receives grade C-. Her First Amendment speech was constitutionally protected throughout. However, attempting to walk away from a lawful Terry stop violated Fourth Amendment detention authority. Physical resistance provided probable cause for arrest and Class H felony battery charges. Every escalation decision carried legal consequences far exceeding the original documentation issue. A 5-second identification presentation would have resolved this encounter. Instead, felony charges with potential prison time resulted. Key lessons. First, civilians cannot terminate Terry stops unilaterally. The street is not the courtroom. Compliance during detention preserves all rights for later court challenge without creating new criminal liability. Second, officers must document Miranda on camera and accommodate medical needs proactively, not reactively. Custodial care obligations are affirmative duties. Delayed response creates liability, even when force itself is justified. Third, de-escalation in the first 60 seconds prevents most physical confrontations, especially in high-stress environments. Both parties had opportunities to reduce tension. Neither chose de-escalation when it was available. This encounter demonstrates how constitutional knowledge gaps and emotional decision-making combine to produce catastrophic outcomes. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.